I graduated law school and was licensed to practice law in Florida in 1977. 4 years later, IBM introduced the personal computer. 29 years after that, my wife Beth and I decided to follow a client to North Carolina. We arrived in North Carolina in 2006, and 1 year later, Apple introduced the iPhone. Then a few years ago, these technologies and a global pandemic combined to give us the opportunity to learn how to practice law anywhere there was an electrical outlet and a Wi-Fi source. This past Thanksgiving, 2023, Beth and I had our holiday dinner in New York City with our two daughters and their husbands. One couple lives in New York City and the other in Massachusetts. Shortly after that, Beth and I decided it was time for us to live closer to our daughters. We knew that this did not require me to retire. We had learned how to practice law remotely. When we presented the idea to Bob McIntosh, he did not hesitate. He knows how important family is. So I am now practicing law as a North Carolina lawyer, still part of the McIntosh law firm, 750 miles from the Davidson cotton mill. Beth remains by my side as my paralegal. The only things I cannot do, I can't shake your hand or hug you. We can still exchange emails. When we need to talk, call me on my iPhone. If I don't pick up, leave a message, which I will be aware of immediately. If and when it's convenient for you, we can use Zoom or your video software of choice. We are so fortunate to have the infrastructure, the staff, and the extraordinary support of the McIntosh law firm. If you need something sent to me or need to get a hard copy of a document, the folks at the law firm will always be available to help. If ever there is something that requires the physical presence of a lawyer in North Carolina, I can arrange for one of my colleagues to help us. I am in constant touch with the law firm, and they have our backs. Finally, let me assure you, this is not a retirement in any way, shape, or form. I have said since I started at the firm 9 years ago that I plan to continue practicing law for so long as I am able. Nothing about that has changed. I am grateful for the opportunities I have had to provide business law services to you, and I look forward to continuing to be of service to you.